You already know what day it is. Alright, Aero today.
Yo.
Thanks to eBay Motors, we are finding every part that he needs for his 335i. And we're starting out with this wing right here. So he has submitted his car through eBay's Guaranteed Fit. And they've given him the green check, so that means that we won't have to worry about any issues. Yeah, wait, that's actually a bargain. 88 bucks. Freaking deals out here. Alright, I know you got more Aero that you're browsing.
Yeah, I was looking at splitters, skirts, whatever you want to call them.
Fits a 335. He's got the guaranteed fit check mark right there. Although, they show a photo of an M3, and they also state that they fit an E92 M3, but it guarantees that it'll also fit a 335, so we will find out if they really do fit his car, but I guess you can run them on both.
Orange looks really good.
Yeah, I know, eBay is suggesting him color options next too. But yeah, those are the skirts, and then to finish off the whole completed puzzle.
And the last one is a splitter, but it is currently out of stock.
Yeah, so, I mean, we have a lot of other stuff to build up, so we're going to give it time. Yeah. But he is interested in this specific front splitter. We're just going to wait a bit, order that up once that is in. But yeah, that looks exactly precise to match his M Sport front bumper. Yep. Ordering all the parts up, thanks to eBay Motors. We're going to get this thing swagged out. This is gonna be the last part in this 3-part build series for Dustin's car. That doesn't mean that his car is not gonna receive anything further from here on out, but out of this specific line and week of modding his car, this is gonna be the last piece of the puzzle. Later down the line, he could do other stuff. We have our Aero right here. Whoops. Whoops. Sorry. If there's anything I use eBay for, it is honestly Aero. My front lip piece down here from the Skyline, that is from eBay right down there. And also some of the gurney flap and some of the trunk lip and all that stuff. That was all eBay Aero, and once again, eBay is coming in clutch with the perfect fit Aero for the 335. I mean, you already know, a car as common platform as this, they're definitely gonna have plenty of Aero on there. I mean, you know, if I can find stuff from my Skyline, then you already know they're gonna have the stuff here. So we got the front lip, we got some, what I like to call skis, because that's what these skirts basically are, just 2 flat rectangles that we're gonna mount up to the side. And then he's got his, he got his little boomerang right here. This nice little trunk lip. I kind of like this little design. I've seen it on a lot of 335 coupes. It just makes it a little more aggressive. And you know, we already know we got the carbon fiber style. Don't look too close with the carbon fiber though. If you guys ever find Dustin's car in the wild, just take a look at his carbon fiber. You'll know.
If you find my car in the wild, please don't touch it.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't touch anyone's car if you find in the wild. Why would you do that? That's...
You can admire just by like standing, looking over at it. Just don't touch it.
Look, not touch. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Are you cleaning right now?
I'm just wiping the whole car out.
He knows we're literally on the final stretch. Previously, we just did our wheels. We just slammed the thing. We have BC Racing coilovers all in there. This is gonna be the aesthetics completion right here. Yes, sir. What are you getting after we have the 3 parts of the eBay stuff on? What's gonna be afterward?
An intake and a downpipe is next. After that, probably just maintenance stuff like coil packs and stuff. I have no idea.
These are the steps and these are the mods that you want to do to your first car and your starter project. That's what I'm trying to demonstrate with this series because it is Dustin's first car and we want to show you the right way to go about modding a car. Starting out with fitment, then wheels and tires, then you could just, you know, play around with a little bit of Aero, you know, if you really want to. I mean, everyone's not going to lie, they like a little bit of Aero. But, you know, no window louvers. Bad wrap color. If you have good paint.
It's not perfect.
It's good for a 335. For 2011 335.
This is like a 10 to 15 foot car because it does have blemishes. It's
got bro, I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's bare like.
Dude, that's so small. What else do we not like?
M badges on the back.
Oh yeah, M badges on the back. Nah, but M badges on the wheels that we stuck on.
They don't need to know that. They don't need to know that.
I hope these aren't too long. Ooh. I'm gonna pretend that I know what I'm doing.
If you can go like a little bit deeper back, because if you were to screw through there and then you run without the lip, you through?
Yeah.
Because if you were to take the lip off, I feel like at that point you might be able to see it.
We're gonna make sure that this lip is like time attack proof, so you can step on it, you know what I'm saying? How's she looking up there?
Ooh, she looking nice.
Give it a nice flat.
Free bird.
The jack pull may not clear the front lip.
No, we're on ramps.
That's true. Ooh. 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 Oh, dude, that is so. That is so close. Oh my God.
Sitting on top of
Dude, it is so close. You're gonna have clearance issues. That looks crazy.
You know it's good when you can almost knock at the jack out.
It complements the fat Michelin tires so well too. The front lip, it's just that lip contrast with tires is always money.
Yeah, dude. Now it looks.
We did good.
It looks like some real stuff.
I just can't get over how well the silver contrasts with the gray.
Yeah, it's tough for the viewers to see the skirts, but they there and they balancing out the car. One of my pet peeves is like if you have skirts and no front lip, or maybe too much of a front lip and your sides are just way up in the air, you gotta kind of balance out the whole underside of the car, and that's where your taste in aero can really come in. And now for the cherry on top, our Lil Wang.
The last piece.
Yes, sir. Because back here, it looks good, but from this angle, you can really tell it's missing a lip. This really is the cherry on top because this really should be the easiest thing. We just got to put some double-sided tape, adhesive on the bottom, and it's already dried off, so we just pop. We have them peeled out to the edges so that we can still remove it in case our mock-up isn't correct. That looks flush.
Are you like...
I'm literally right on the edge.
Like, you're right on the line? Okay,
Let me see the line here. You got that, and then let's see over here.
Is it a little gap?
Yeah, there's a slight gap on the other side. It's pretty identical. Oh,
I'm pretty flush right here.
Give her the beans.
you just peel, key and peel.
Uh-oh.
Was that all of it?
Yeah, you might have to like kind of pull away from it for a second, so that way it all gets out.
I might have ripped one.
This is not going well. Okay, that's a long piece.
Yeah, we're matching.
Oh, they're connecting. Oh, they're touching.
It's like Lady and the Tramp.
Yeah. All right. Force. Welcome to the Neri Press channel.
It's the force, is it?
Today we're gonna we're gonna be pressing. Ooh. Getting the arm workout in at the same time.
I don't want this to fly off, so yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, that helps out the rear end so much though. Dude, we've balanced the whole car out. Aero all the way around now. The wheels, the fitment. Out of these 3 videos, it may not seem like much has drastically changed. At least from those like TikTok build videos that you see where people do crazy wrap colors, crazy flashy wheels, and other tint, who knows what. We're doing the simple, classy stuff here, and in person it makes a huge difference. I wish you guys really could see his car in person before and after. This thing has been transformed, all because of eBay Motors. She's gonna drive so good too with that suspension. People say all we did is aesthetics, but we didn't do just that, all right? Tires and suspension are 2 of the most important handling modifications right there, and we checked those off.
Some good first mods to do.
Right? To finish her off, Neri's gonna cut out some yellow fog light tint. So we're gonna get the bottom lights on his car to look like an enthusiast on the road when you see it at night. Anytime I see yellow headlight or fog light tint, I always know it's like either a Subaru, something modded is driving on the freeway. So we're gonna make sure Dustin is certified car enthusiast out here. So 1, 2, 3, boom. Look at that. Yellow fog lights, baby. Well done, team.
Oh yeah.
We have turned a $15,000 car into what looks like a $40,000 car if you just saw it rolling on the road. I hope you enjoy your new whip.
Very nice.
He's like tired because we've had a couple late nights here working on this thing.
2 late nights in a row, and work has been kicking my ass this week.
But now you're gonna show up to work in this fine whip of a machine.
Ow! That hit my leg.
Sorry.
leg!
Sorry.